Well, hello, friends, and welcome to Dr. Sheldon Cooper's Fun with Flags. No, that's not what this is. Anyway, so today we're going to look at the F4 Customs windshield that I put on my bike. We're going to take a ride, and we're going to see the difference in what the wind noise is and the buffeting, and check that out. We'll talk about install, and we're going to talk about what's been going on with Smitty and why I have been kind of out of the loop lately. So let's roll that intro. All right, so here is the F4 Customs windshield. This is the 20-inch. It's got the little recurve on it. It's 1 inch wider. And this is a light tint. So the instructions are like the instructions on anything else. They're not like the best. They're just real bland. But MC Tour Ohio, go check him out. He made a really good video on just basically how to put this on. He did a really good job of it. I was very impressed. I think Cruiseman has a video and all that stuff, but man, this guy's got a smaller channel. He just did the nuts and bolts of it. He made it real simple. The hardest part, if you're going to install this, guys, really is popping these off. And you have these two little clips right in here. Okay, that you have to pop in and out, and they're not hard to do, but you can break the clip because a fat-fingered bastard like me can do that. There's the shield raised fully up. Man, it's like it's well above my eye line, my eyesight. Man, it's easy to see through. Really good product. Very, like I said, as far as install, you know, I talked about the hardest part. Literally, you're going to take those clips off, pop these two front pieces off, take out 4 bolts, okay, remove the shield, put the new shield on, put the bolts in, put the two plastic, your covers, your the decorative, they keep you from seeing the bolts, and then pop the clips back in, and there's the install. It's very simple. So the primary reason I bought this windshield was because when I was motovlogging, when I'm riding, I kept getting a lot of wind on top of my head. I kept feeling a lot of, or hearing, I should say, a lot of wind noise when I'm doing my vlog. And man, just a lot of audio that I wanted to be clear, things I wanted to say to you guys, and it wasn't as clear as I wanted it to be. So I probably could have got the stock height windshield that you know, literally the F4 Customs has a windshield that's this same stock height, you know, but there's a big difference. There's no, the stock windshield, if you look, you'll see the recurve here. There's really no recurve. Of course, it's clear, but there's really a big difference in quality. I think you have a much better quality piece from F4 Customs. And I didn't do a video on how to install this thing because I just felt like I would butcher. If somebody else does a really good video, I don't see a point in me making one and rehash the same thing over and over. I think that's dumb. So MC Tour Ohio, hey man, you did a great video. Super impressed with it. Very easy to put on. Man, it made a world of difference riding the bike. So I'm going to show you what it looks like and sounds like riding the bike next, and we'll talk about a few other things. All right, so number one, very happy to be out on the bike. Well, so far, and I haven't got the speed yet, but easy to see through. I can see over it, which is good. Let's see how it sounds. So I can already tell a big difference in the wind and buffeting. I was gonna run that light and I see not one, but 2 cops. Good stuff. Here's another one right here, waiting to get me, speeding in the old speed trap. I want to tell you, look, Mr. Officer, I'm just a prospect, sir. I'm not even full patch. Can't you give a brother a break? I'm not even full patch, yo. Yeah, if you don't know, yeah, cops in Texas, they love to profile club members and bikers. They love to. I'm running this one, sorry guys, gotta get a ticket for that. Yeah, they love to do it here in Texas. I know I heard Dallas Fort Worth is worse, but ain't no joking. Profiling Houston ain't no joke. See how it does at highway speeds. Well, I can tell you right now, that's making a big difference. There's up all the way. And I can tell you right now, if I was in a rainstorm, I would do this. Because this sucker here, I'm looking through the shield, not over it. But this thing here would definitely protect me from debris. That's a joke, debris. Right here, I can see over the shield, and I feel like I've got good wind protection. I feel like the sound, you know, guys aren't getting a bunch of wind noise. Of course, I won't know until I edit, but I think that right there is a big difference. I'm doing 75 miles an hour right now, and yeah, I've got some wind. When I close that, it's probably better for you guys. The sound is different, but yeah, man. So I could be doing 80 miles an hour with this. I feel a difference on my chest and my arms. I don't have really as much weight on my chest and arms, which is cool. But yeah. So I would say at highway speeds, we're good to go too. So back to what I was saying earlier. So first, before I go any further, F4 Customs, right now, the first couple rides I've taken 5 out of 5 stars. Ease of install was great, especially with the video help. The instructions weren't that great. Very simply put, good product, 80 miles an hour, nothing crazy. Really like the Shield. Very happy with it. I got very ill. You saw the Trolls and Sickness, or Sickness and Trolls video. I was still battling COVID, Corona, whatever you want to call it, at that time. Got very ill. I had like flu-like symptoms and was not doing well, felt terrible. And of course, as you well know, you've seen the videos, you've seen me, I am overweight. And man, I started feeling horrible. My heart kind of sped up, my pulse rate went up. I mean, I've always been one of those guys that's been able to pretty much do whatever I want to. And when I say that, I mean like at work, I climb stairs, turn valves, I do all the stuff that you have to do for somebody that works my job title. My heart raced up one day and I was like, wow, it's weird. That night I went up in the emergency room with a blood pressure that was right at heart attack stage. And I've never, you know, I know I'm overweight and I'm borderline and had borderline blood pressure, but my blood pressure was like crazy heart attack stage. Had all these tests done to find out that my heart's fine, and but my blood pressure, like I said, has still been up there. You know, I'm taking medication to keep it down, of course, but never had anything like that happen to me in my life. They believe that COVID, coronavirus, whatever, they believe that COVID, because I'm overweight and you know, and borderline, that it hit me really hard, but it helped spearhead some pre-existing conditions that I had, and it made it more difficult for me. So yeah, that's what I've been dealing with. That's why I've kind of been out of the loop. I haven't posted a whole lot. Just dealing with trying to be healthy and get healthy again. I'm back riding, obviously. Back doing the things that I need to do. I'm back enjoying life as it were. That's the one good thing about this whole thing, this scare. It helped spearhead me into getting off my butt and doing something that I should have done a while back. So, like I said, I'm very grateful for you guys, grateful for the motovlog community and the motorcycle community and the people who watch and sub. And man, thank you for reaching out to me. Thank you for wanting to know if Smitty was okay. And I can't say enough how much I greatly appreciate you guys. Thank you. Hey, y'all, do me a favor. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell icon so you get notifications when the shit show gets rolling again. F4 Customs, really good windshield, really like it, very happy with it so far. Need to put some more miles on it, but first few rides, I really like it, very impressed. I'm back, I'm doing normal stuff again, focusing on my health, focusing on getting better and doing the things I need to do.
But I just want to say thank you to everyone. I really appreciate the concern and the people who reached out, and hopefully we'll get some more riding videos in and start getting back to some sense of normalcy. Anyway, I want you guys to have a great day. Let's try not to be assholes to each other, and I'll see y'all next time.